I'm
Yes, sure.
beautiful.
Thank you. All right, join your hands, close your eyes.
Good
Let's say our
morning.
prayers.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं.
Okay, thank you. Now let's say our prayers. Join your hands, close your eyes. Our
आप
Father
अच्छी लग
in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you children. Now, this is your English language period. I told you to be ready with your language books. Are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
good morning. Open to page number 38. Page number
Good morning,
38, children.
ma'am.
Good morning. Page number 38.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Satakshi?
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you. You all are also all looking very smart and beautiful. All right, page number 38. Now we are going to start with doing
Excuse me.
words. We are going to start
Excuse
with,
me, ma'am.
yes.
You are a very beautiful, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, children. Now let's begin with our lesson. Doing words. There are certain pictures given over there. Look at the beautiful pictures. The first picture you can see the sunrise.
Ma'am,
The,
which page number?
page number 38. Then you can see some children are there. They are playing. Then you can see the moon is shining. You can see somebody is reading a newspaper. Then you can see a bus moving over there. Somebody is driving it. Then some girl is walking. Then you can see the dog bark. There are two girls who are talking over there, and the cat is drinking milk. Now, children, doing words are words which help us in English. They tell us what a person is doing, what action is being done. डूइंग वर्ड्स को हम लोग एक्शन वर्ड्स भी बोलते हैं. डूइंग वर्ड्स को हम लोग एक्शन वर्ड्स भी बोलते हैं बिकॉज हमें पता चलता है
Actually,
क्या एक्शन हो रहा है. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन वेरी
that's
केयरफुली टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. Bhavika,
three.
mute yourself, Bhavika, and pay attention. All of you, clap. Show me the action. I want to show you. You also do this. Okay. Snap. Snap your fingers. Okay. Now, raise your hands. Put it down. Then laugh. Open your mouth and laugh. Ha ha ha. Okay. Now, close your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. All right. Now pay attention. Sit straight, fold your hands. Now see, just now what we did. Alia, pay attention. Stop talking. Alia, pay attention. Alia, I can see you talking.
Good
Child, pay
morning, ma'am.
attention.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So just now, children, what did we do? Clap, then snap. You snapped your fingers. You raised your hand. Then you brought it down. You closed your eyes. You opened your eyes. Now clap. Then you raise. Then close. Open. These are all the actions that you are doing. Yes or no? ये सब आप कर रहे थे ना, actions. This is what is doing words. Isn't it simple? Isn't it simple? जो भी action आप करते हैं वो सारे आपके action words हैं, and they are known as doing words or verbs. Right? So today we are going to do action words or doing words. Now on page number 38, we saw some of the pictures. The sun rise. Look at the pictures, children. Put your finger there now quickly. It's very simple. Then the second picture, play. Next picture, shine. Read. Drive. Walk. Bark. Talk. Drink. These are called action words or doing words or verbs. Now look at the definition that is given over there in the green box. The words you have just read are called doing words. They tell us what people, animals or things do. They tell us what people, animal or things do. क्या करते हैं people, animal और things? वो सारे actions को हम लोग doing words बोलते हैं. Now look at page number 39. Exercise A is given over there. You have some pictures. Now keep your pencils ready with you and your scale. Keep your pencil and scales ready, children. Okay. Now the first picture that's already been matched for you. The girl, what action she is doing? Eat. So it has been matched by drawing a line. Now look at the second picture.
Good morning.
Good morning. Page number 39 for those who just joined. Second picture. Second picture. The child is taking a bath. Can you see all of you? Give me a thumbs up. So we will draw a line to the word B-A-T-H, bathe. B-A-T-H, वहाँ पर जो last word है वहाँ तक line draw करिए. Match it, children. B-A-T-H-E, bathe. Alright, Abdul, the next picture, there's a little boy. You tell me what action is he doing? The words that are left are the third picture. See the words that are there? Sleep, eat, run, study, bathe. Eat, first picture वो already match करी है. Second picture अभी हमने match करी bathe. Now third picture, which word? Sleep, run या study?
Ma'am, study.
Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Draw a line and match it, children. Study.
इसको कैसे मैच करेंगे इतना लंबा?
Draw a line. S-T-U-D-Y. Draw a line from the third boy till that word. Aban, the next one. Picture number 4. What action is that boy doing? Which word will we use? Sleep, run.
Run.
Run. Very good. Match it, children. Run. Sayansh, now the last picture. Look at the picture carefully. Sayansh, the last picture. See what action that boy is doing. सायांश, वो बॉय बेड पे क्या कर रहा है?
Sleep.
Sleep, that's right. So match it with the word sleep. Only one word is left over there. S-L-E-E-P. All right. Now look at exercise B. Again, we have some pictures over there. Aradhya, What action is being done in the first picture? What action?
Page number
39. Aradhya, the first picture, what action is being done, child? What are those children doing?
Ma'am, play.
Play. Very good. Children, write over there. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Manvi, the second picture, what action is that girl doing?
Sing song.
Sing. Okay, very good. Children, write over there. S-I-N-G, sing. Thank you, Manvi. You can mute yourself now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जो लड़की सिंग कर रही है
Yes.
तो वहाँ पे सिंग लिखना है तो क्या वहाँ पे सिंगिंग लिख सकते हैं सिंग?
Just now we are writing just the word. So you write S-I-N-G, sing. Okay, for all the words. Just now we are just writing. We are not adding I-N-G just now. Right? So you write it like everybody is writing. S-I-N-G.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see the next picture. Aditya, what is the picture showing you? What action is being done?
Sleep.
Sleep. That's right. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Aradhya, mute yourself. Okay, the next picture, Sidra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is that boy doing? See picture number 4.
Read.
Read. That's right. So all of you write over there. R-E-A-D, read. Bhavika, what is the next picture showing you? What is that boy doing? What action is he doing?
Study.
He's using his hands. You can see the pencil in his hand. So what action?
Writing.
Right. Okay.
Ma'am, study.
W-R-I-T-E, write. Put over there, write. Now look at the last picture. Arish, what are the two boys doing in the last picture? पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. दोनों बॉयज क्या कर रहे हैं?
Fighting.
Fighting. Yes, they are fighting. Which is wrong. You mustn't fight. See how badly they are fighting? So write over there F-I-G-H-T, fight. That is the action word. F-I-G-H-T, fight.
F-I-G-H-T, fighting.
Fight. Now put your pencils down, fold your hands and listen carefully to what I am telling you.
मैम फाइटिंग की एक बार स्पेलिंग रिपीट कर दीजिए.
F-I-G-H-T, fight लिखना है सिर्फ. F-I-G-H-T, fight. And children, learn up all these spellings. Very important. One fine day, I'll give you a surprise spellings test. All the spellings of all the subjects. I'll mix up everything and I'll give you a spellings test one day. Okay? Now fold your hands straight and listen to what I'm telling you carefully. The next we have study the table. Notice how doing words are sometimes spelled with an S. Doing words, action words, verbs, कभी कभी उसमें हम लोग को S लगाना पड़ता है. अब कहाँ पे S लगाना है ध्यान से सुनना है. All of you listen carefully. When we are talking about more than one, when we are talking about more than one. अब आप लोगों ने singular plural करा है, one and many करा है ना? One and many करा है? Give me a thumbs up. Do you remember your one and many? All right. I have already told you, you have to keep revising everything. So, when we are talking about one thing, singular, जब हम एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तब उसमें एक्शन वर्ड में हम s लगाएंगे. और जब एक से ज्यादा की बात करें, when we are talking about many, then we do not use s. Then we do not use s. But in certain places we do use. Now look at the table. Look at the table, children. I like milk. जब आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, when you are talking about yourself, अपने बारे में, the first person, then we do not put s. Second, we like milk. आप और आपके साथ कोई और भी है, जब आप उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, then also you don't put s. Next, you like milk. आप किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. You like milk. आप किसी के बारे में बता रहे हैं. Right? Next, they like milk. Now you are talking about a third person. किसी और कोई और है जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, and there are more than one. They. Then here also you will not use s. Now the last one is Mohan and Nina like milk. Mohan and Nina, two people, more than one, so we don't put s. Now come to the second column. Come to the second column. He likes milk. Now when you are talking about somebody, then another person, then you say he likes, then you put s. She likes milk. It likes milk. Mohan likes milk. Nina likes milk. Now to understand this better, just turn the page, children. Turn the page, all of you. जब आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तब आप और इजीली इसको समझ सकते हैं. टर्न द पेज. पेज नंबर 4040. Look at the first sentence. सिद्रा, sit straight. आराध्या, sit straight. आज क्या हो गया? सबको नींद आ रही है सुबह सुबह? Sit straight. Fold your hands smartly. First sentence. Gayatri dash every morning. और brackets में जो helping words हैं, those are jog and jogs. Action words जो दिए हुए हैं, J-O-G, jog, without an S. J-O-G-S, jogs, with an S. Gayatri is one girl. Children, listen carefully. Gayatri, we are talking about one girl. So she jogs every morning. Right over there, J-O-G-S, jogs. J-O-G-S, jogs. Gayatri jogs every morning. Then we have Revati dash in Kochi. Live or lives. Revati is one girl. Revati is one person, one girl, singular. So Ashvika वहां पर L-I-V-E live लिखेंगे या L-I-V-E-S. When we are talking about singular thing, singular person, तब उसमें हम एक्शन वर्ड s लगाएंगे. सो कौन सा वर्ड लिखेंगे? Lives. We pronounce it as lives. Okay, so right over there, L-I-V-E-S, lives. Okay, Manvi, number 3. My mother dash in a bank. W-O-R-K work या W-O-R-K-S works?
My mother works.
Works, that's right. W-O-R-K-S. Thank you. You can mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला बता दीजिए प्लीज।
Ash.
केजी में तो पढ़ा था कि जो 1 में होता है उसमें लीव एस नहीं लगता और जो मैनी होता है उसमें एस लगता है।
I told you certain places you have to listen, you have to follow. Okay, कुछ जगहों पर लगता है, कुछ में नहीं लगता है. So you have to read the sentence. अभी क्लास 1 में आप सिंगुलर प्लूरल पे कंसंट्रेट करके इसको करिए, otherwise you'll get confused. Okay?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, थर्ड में क्या पढ़वाया था?
Number 1 is jog. See, when you're talking about 1, एक की बात हो रही है तो उसमें s लगेगा. Okay? This you remember for the time being. You remember this? जब आप 1 की बात कर रहे हैं तो उसमें आप s लगाएंगे. So Gayatri jogs, Revati lives, my mother works. Right? My mother works. Then number 4, my sister dash Hindi. Bhavika, take your pencil out of your mouth. My mother works in a bank. My mother works in a bank. And number 5, Akash and Vikas. 2 people, Akash and Vikas. 2 people, more than 1. Dash Japanese. Speak or speaks. Without S or with S?
Ma'am,
So, without S. Number 5. Number 5, without S, speak. Now we'll stop here.
Ma'am.
We'll continue this tomorrow in your English period.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 4 वाले में क्या था? Ma'am, 4 वाले में क्या था?
Teaches with S. We stop at number 5, children. We stop at number 5. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Now we'll join again for the next period. Take a break and come.
Bye.